Hi guys, welcome to our latest video. Today, unfortunately for the customer, we're having to strip this Royce Wraith of the PPF that's been applied to it. This is due to a very poor previous install, as you can see from the videos we're now about to show. Going forward, we're going to take all the film off, machine polish the vehicle, and apply our own XPEL adapted patterns to ensure this car has perfect coverage going forward. Royce Wraith is now complete. What we've done is we've stripped the old PPF off, we've then machine polished the vehicle, and then we've applied XPEL paint protection film to the entire vehicle to give the owner peace of mind going forward. So guys, thanks for watching our latest video. If you'd like to see more, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon.